learning the alphabet.
Hello, friends. In this video, we are learning the letter B. Letter B. B. Bulldozer. B. Bulldozer. This is capital letter B. This is capital letter B. This is lowercase letter b. This is lowercase letter b. B. Blueberry. B. Blueberry. Did you know? Tiny blueberries are like nature's candy, packed with superpowers. Each little blue gem contains vitamin C to keep you healthy, antioxidants that act like shields protecting your body, and fiber to help your tummy feel good. These magical berries even help your brain stay sharp for learning new things at school. B. Beaver. B. Beaver. Did you know? Beavers are nature's engineers. They build amazing dams with their strong teeth and flat tails. These furry builders can hold their breath underwater for 15 minutes while collecting sticks and mud for their homes. Which pictures start with the letter B? Nice work! B. Ball. B. Ball. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.